Well, they lied. They said 2025 was the last year for the penny, but the 2026 is here. As you can see right here, guys, you got the Denver issued and the Philadelphia issued, and this is what the back of them looks like. But in this video, I'm going to go over the 2026 penny and the reality of what's going to happen going forward. Now, just a little disclaimer, guys, these technically are not going to be circulating coins. That means that they're only meant for collectors. Now, this is a big word here, but semi-quincentennial means 250th anniversary of these coins and medals that are happening this year, guys. So these are the circulating coins that are coming out for 2026. And if you scroll down here, this is the official US Mint website. So usmint.gov is where you can see all these coins. And you can see your collectible coins. So you got the penny and the reverse, and then you also have the Enduring Liberty $50 coin. These are both collectible coins. They're not circulating, but they have some really cool circulating coins that are going out in 2026. So let's just get a look at some of these coins. I mean, like I said, you can go to the US Mint website. I'll leave some links down below to the official website. Make sure that you are on the official website whenever buying any coins. But I really do like the Emerging Liberty dime. Just look at this beautiful design that you have here. And it's cool that these coins are actually going to be out there circulating in pocket change. And here is the reverse of that coin. Really, really nice in my opinion. And then you have the Mayflower compact quarter. I do like the boat design, the Mayflower on the back. That is actually really pretty. And then you got the obverse here as well. Going through, then we got the Revolutionary War quarter. We got Washington there, mean mugging you a bit on the front of the quarter, and then you go ahead and you got the back of this coin. Just a really nice design overall. Overall, I'm pretty happy about these coins. You've got the Declaration of Independence quarter, pretty interesting here with the half body. Just really, really nice, I'd say. And then you've got another quarter here. Pretty nice design, nothing too crazy. We the People on the back, nice design there. You got the Gettysburg Address quarter with Lincoln on the front, which is a bit different, right? But you do have them all saying 1776 to 2026. Then you got this design on the back, which is nice. Then the nickel didn't change too much here. Just your typical looking nickel here. There's also descriptions below if you want to read more about it. And then, like I was saying before, you've got the Liberty $50 and the penny coin. So technically, yes, the penny coin has stopped production, but they are still going to produce them as a collector item. You can see you've got a Denver issued coin here, then a Philadelphia issued here, and then here is the back of the coin. I kind of wish they'd change the back, but what are you going to do here, guys? Here's some more information about the penny coin that's coming out. And you can also see the artists. You got Victor David Brenner on the 1909 obverse. You have Lyndall Bass, and then you have Joseph Mena. So that's a wrap for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to get your free coin and currency ebook down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.